What scientific photos are hard to believe but are indeed real? For every microorganism barely seen lies an intricate formation within it. Most time, the closest image of a teardrop is what is seen when one cries. Truth is, teardrops are more detailed and consist of microorganisms that can be seen when magnified. Another shocker might be that the embryo of a flower looks eerily similar to that of a human embryo. Life does come in the same form. This picture of a small white hair spider might become the latest addition to one nightmare collection. Its numerous eyes and body structure will leave one thankful for its size. And those tiny white spider eggs one tends to swat away, they are actually a myriad of colors under a microscope, cultivating new life. Even the run-of-the-mill housefly, magnified about 50 times, shows numerous eyes. Probably contributes to why one can't kill them on sight. They see everything. The average butterfly might not see all things like the housefly, but a magnified image shows that the pretty butterfly wings are intricately stacked colors beyond what human eyes see. The same goes for the peacock feathers. The alignment of lines and colors goes to show how much detail was put into creating all creatures. The predator, known as the alligator, goes through the same nerve and skeletal development fetuses experience. It might amaze one to know that even the plankton, Daphnia magna, that can barely be seen is also translucent under a microscope. More fascinating is that its eggs can be clearly seen. One might know what happens to a human that has a heart attack. But are you aware the blood vessels of a mouse after a heart attack literally stop in the position they were in prior to the attack, and the tissue fades away? An image of a honeybee might look ordinary, but underneath the microscope, there might just be more hitching a ride on its back. Oxygen isn't just to breathe in and out. Research shows a magnified image of oxygen was studied to help treat a medical condition. The buzzing of mosquitoes at night never gets better, but at least one gets to appreciate the details on the wings of this annoying bug. A magnified image of the male mosquito shows how the wing is made of vines, similar to what you would find on a leaf. Then there is the saving grace of all newborns, breast milk. A magnified image of lactating breast tissue shows immune cells that check for infection, muscles that pump milk, and milk-filled spheres. The reality is that nothing is quite as it seems. Everything one comes across has multiple layers beneath it. It gives a new meaning to not judging books by their cover.